The magnificent sunrise of Daringbadi from Daringbadi Nature Park. And you can see the beautiful nature. The nature camp is located at a hilltop. It's very beautifully located. You can see the large cottages below, and these are comparatively small cottages here. And this is the cottage where we stayed. It's very clean, homely, and beautiful surrounding. It's a very good small garden in front of you, the park with there is a children play area, and the food is real amazing, very homely. Staffs are good or best. I think they listen to everything. And then ending this video with the sunrise once again.